Hello traders, this is Dr. Zener from zwinner.com. Today I'm going to give you a great system. It's called No-Brainer Forex Trading System. So I'm going to put in the charts. On the charts I'm going to put in the indicators. Now this is a 1 hour Euro USD chart. Now the first indicator I'm going to put in is called the Feru FX, which is available freely on the internet. Feru FX multi info. Okay, now here first of all I click OK, and you will see it comes in the middle of the chart. Now we don't want it here, we want it on the left hand side, and what we wanted is just the trend, uptrend or the downtrend. We don't want the daily ranges and the pivots and everything. We don't need it. So what we do, we go to the indicator list and we edit it. Now in the editing we put the X trade analysis on the 10, and the Y is also, we should make it 10. Okay, and then you come to the box, make the box also 10, and this one also 10, right? And we go down and range box, this is the range, we don't need that, it's going to occupy too much space, so we're going to remove it, false, and then everything's okay, and we click OK and then close. Right, now you can see this has come over here. Now this shows you the trend of the time. What is the trend now? The trend now is down. It's a downtrend, but it is a weak trend. It's not a strong trend. So the uptrend is 36% and the downtrend is 64%. So I would prefer when a trend is 80% down. When it's 80% down, only then you can sell. Now the next thing to do is put the Parabolic Sar Indicator. So this is the Parabolic Sar Indicator, which is built in your MT4, and leave everything as it is. Everything, make sure the color is lime green, click OK. Now these are the dots of the Parabolic Sar. So these dots, you can use it to exit, and it is also showing you that the mark is going down. And if you place your stop loss, your trailing stop on the SAR, as it goes down, you keep putting your trailing stop, and then here it gets turned off. So I'm going to explain it later on. Okay, next you need to install the Zwinner alert indicator. These are the arrows, and then set them here like this. Just leave them as they are, and the colors, if you want to the arrows a little bit bigger, then you can make them big from here, or either slow. Okay, you can make them big from here. Okay, so here are these arrows. They're telling you to buy and telling you to sell. Okay, so this is the indicator, and the next indicator. Okay, the next indicator I'm going to put in is the Fisher. So come here, Fisher, no repaint. Okay, allow DLL imports, leave it as 10, color. Now make these bigger, 3. Make the bars, thicken the bars to number 3 like that, and bring the level 0 and color it yellow, and then click OK. Here it is. These are the Fisher bars. The green bar telling you the market is going up, the red bar telling you the market is going down. And then we're going to add one more indicator. Now the next indicator we're going to bring in is called the Trader Assistant. trader's assistant. So you go to common, allow DLL imports. Inputs, just leave them as they are. Colors, levels, do nothing, just click OK. There it is. Okay, now this is what it's doing. It's telling you what is the stochastic doing on the 5 minutes. So it's telling you to sell on the 5 minutes. On the 15 minutes it's telling you to sell. On the 30 minutes it's telling you to sell. On the 1 hour it's telling you to sell. On the 4 hours telling you to sell. On the daily is telling you to sell. Okay, so this is giving you an indication of where the market is going, what you can do. It is sell, and the RSI also is telling you sell, 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 and only on the daily is telling you to buy. The CCI is also telling you to sell. Most of them are telling you to sell. So what you're going to do is you will place a trade, okay, new order, and then you will sell 1 mini lot here. There it is. Okay, now you sell this 1 mini lot, and what I have actually also on the Euro USD, another pair, so I have another on the other chart. I have the Euro USD with the auto stop loss and trailing stop EA. On that EA, it is set to take 20 pips profit and 20 pips stop loss. Okay, let's see how much is this. There it is saying this is about 20 pips and this is about 20 pips. So it's got a trailing stop of, there's no trailing stop, but there's a stop, the stop loss at 20 pips and take profit at 20 pips. This is the I will bring it here so you will understand. It's called the auto stop loss. This one here, auto stop loss and trailing stop EA. So here inputs, so take profit I have here as 20 pips and the stop loss also as 20 pips. Now you can vary it according to what you like. Okay, if you want, you can put in the trailing stop as well. For example, you want to start the trailing stop at 10 pips, okay, and every time it goes to you for about 2 pips. After every 2 pips it will move. So then you say okay, and there it is. Okay, now what we're going to do, I'm going to take it, save it as a template, though I already have a template, but I'm showing you how to save it, to put it on the other ones and give it a name. Now give it a name, no brainer. Okay, no brainer, no brainer system. Okay, right, now open another one. Okay, let's open GBP USD chart, new chart, GBP USD, and we go to template and go to no brainer. There it is, no brainer. Okay, there it is. Okay, now here also what we are getting the trend is down. It's a 97%, it's very good, and you're going to make good profit, and everything is down. Okay, go here, go to trading, and then go to new, and then here you sell 1 mini lot. Okay, now as soon as you sold it, the auto stop loss and the auto take profit and the stop loss has set up stop loss of 20 pips and take profit of 20 pips. Now we will come back later. Now one more thing, when you're trading like this, you see the Fisher. Now even though it's got it's giving you 97% strong downtrend, but the Fisher bars are getting weaker. that means the market is getting weaker. It can go above the zero level and then it can reverse. Okay, so it is possible, so keep an eye on the Fisher. Okay, now you can trade it on any time frame. Let's go to a lower time frame. This is a 1 hour. Let's go to the 15 minutes and see what's going on there. Right, there it is. This is the 15 minutes chart. Even in the 15 minutes you can see the downtrend is strong, and most of them are telling you to sell, right? But the 5 minutes are changing, reversing. It's going up, and you can see it's going up. Let's go to 5 minutes and see what's happening there. This is the 5 minutes. Okay, and you can see the 5 minutes, the market is reversing slowly and gradually. Okay, now if you were not going to use the auto stop loss, then you will place your stop loss at the Parabolic Sar, this one. Okay, so you went short here and then you put your stop loss there, and then you measure your distance, your entry, how much you're risking. Let's see, about 50 pips, right? So you can place your take profit level here at 50 pips, right? But because you are using the auto stop loss, so let that set up your take profit and your stop loss. Okay, so on the 5 minutes is now the market is going up. So this is how, whenever you're trading, go to the smaller time frame and see what's going on there. Okay, if the 5 minutes is going up and the 1 hour is going down, then that means the market is reversing. Don't trade. Okay, let's go to a new one, another chart, USD JPY. Okay, this is USD JPY 1 hour. Let's go to the template and set the template as the no-brainer, where it is no-brainer. Now in the no-brainer template, you're seeing that the market is 90% downtrend. The downtrend is strong, 90%. It's telling you it is strong, right? Let's go back up. Now the market is strong, and it is going, and it's showing you, the arrow is telling you to sell. Okay, and now you have a new Fisher bar is forming here. That is telling you the market will go down. And let's see, at the moment the market is going up. Let's go to 5 minutes, have a look what's going on. In the 5 minutes you can see the market is going up. Okay, the market is going up, so there's no point going short. Okay, let's go to open another chart, new chart, and open AUD USD. Okay, Australian dollar and the United States dollar. Go to template and go to no-brainer and see what's going on. Here the market is going down. The strongest downtrend, but it's weak, 74%. As I said, it should be 80%, but you have to consider other indicators as well. Now on the 5 minutes, the lower time frames, you are getting buy signals. On the higher time frame, we are getting the sell signals. Okay, let's go to a smaller time frame, 5 minutes, and see what's going on there. On the 5 minutes you can see the market is going up, so it's not wise to go long, to go short. Okay, but you cannot go long now because the market, the trend is down. It's weak, but it's down, so you have to wait until you get the proper signal. And let's go to 15 minutes, see what's going on there. 15 minutes also, market is reversing, going up. See, so this we have to wait. Let me go to another new chart, and okay, open USD CAD and go to 1 hour first and go to template, apply the template, no brainer. Okay, here also is showing you the market is down but it's weak, and this is on the 1 hour. That means the market has started going up now. So let's have a look here at the 5 minutes, see what's going on. In 5 minutes the market has started reversing back, coming back down, and you're getting here sell signals. Okay, that means the US dollar is getting weaker against the Canadian dollar. 1 hour still market is going up. So we have to wait for the right time when we see the signals on the both time frame. The higher time frame as well as the lower time frame is the same. So at the moment I can't find any, but let's go and have a look at the trades that we took. The Euro USD trade we took is about to give us a profit, so it's quite close to the 20 pips. So far it's in a profit of $8.70. So we will wait until we get the exit. So this is how you trade. When you get the signal at the higher time frame, you go to the lower time frame and see if both are the same, in the same direction, only then take the trade. Okay, and I wish you all the best. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't so far, as I'm going to bring in some more trading systems for you for free.